What's up, YouTube? It's Wednesday. It's time for the vlog. Today I'm just gonna talk about some stuff that went on like over the last weekend. So went shopping, got some new stuff. Actually I went Amazon shopping too, and I'm gonna show you this cool thing that I got there. Look at this thing. What? Frankie. You wanted to see me eat a warhead. One of these super sour warheads like this one. Extreme sour. So here we go. I'm gonna do it. I find them kind of sour, but not like extremely sour. And it's the reason I can't eat regular Sour Patch Kids. They have these new extreme sour ones. I'm not sure if they're new, but I have to eat those because the regular ones just taste too sweet. Or not sour enough. Anyway, the only good part of a warhead is like the first 10 seconds, and now it's just like sweet candy. So I might finish this, I'm not sure. So you can see behind me my decorations. It's October, spooky time. I actually also got some spider webs out in the hallway, out in the stairwell. Those are natural decorations. Went shopping, I got some new shirts, so I'm going to show you a montage of the shirts I got. And viewers, let me know which ones you like best, because I'm just curious. I am partial to the yellow and black one, but a button fell off after I bought it, so I have to go buy a button and some thread and a needle, and then I have to go on YouTube and look up how to sew a button. So that's gonna be fun. So the gnome said, "Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the one that's gonna open the box." He was like, "Can we have it?" And the wizard was like, "Ha ha 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 ha! You will have to fight me for it, boy!" To which the gravy boat replied, "I'm not sure I'm equipped for a wizard battle."